Federal agents put the cuffs on the airline workers in a raid in San Juan, Puerto Rico. 9 American Airlines employees accused of smuggling cocaine on commercial flights. A drug enforcement agency report obtained by NBC5 says the men were able to hide an estimated 322 suitcases on flights to New York and Miami.
This is not just drugs that are coming into our country, but this is a big hole in our homeland security.
Former Customs agent A.J. Irwin headed a terrorism task force for the Justice Department. He says the smuggling case shows the government is not watching airline workers close enough, and terrorists could see that as an opening to put weapons or bombs on planes.
They would be more likely to want to compromise an employee, an existing employee, who could move through the tarmac and all the secure facilities without question.
8 years after 9/11, airport workers are still not screened the same as passengers. At most airports, they go through separate doors, where they're rarely checked with metal detectors or X-ray machines. Some workers can even drive trucks onto the tarmac through checkpoints, often staffed by private security companies and not the government. That's how the workers in Puerto Rico apparently got the drug-filled bags into the airport. The TSA says screening those people every day would take too much time and money. The TSA does check airline workers to make sure they're not on the terror watch list, and the agency sometimes runs random inspections to keep employees guessing. At big airports, there are so many employee entrances, it's easy for workers to avoid random checks. There's almost always another gate where the TSA is not looking. That's why critics argue workers should be treated just like passengers.
That type of security needs to be applied on the tarmac and to airline employees as well.
For now, the loophole remains open, one that apparently allowed 9 men to put whatever they wanted onto planes hundreds of times.